Class. So in the last class we were discussing the classification of arthropoda, classification of phylum arthropoda. So in that, we completed two subphylum. Subphylum 1 Trilobitomorpha and second subphylum is Chelicerata. Okay. So under Chelicerata, class 1 Merostomata is completed, and the class Archinida is completed. Then class Pyconogonida is completed, and now under the subphylum 3 Mandibulata, class 1 Crustacea is completed. Then yes, now we are going to study the class 2 Chilopoda. So Chilopoda includes centipedes or 100-leggers, means they have more number of legs. Then body flattened, dorsoventrally and elongated. Okay. Then body divisible into head and trunk. Body is divisible into head and trunk. No tail. Head, trunk. Next, head bears a pair of antennae. Head bears a pair of antennae, a pair of mandibles, and a pair of maxillae. So here the example is Scutigera. Look here. So here the body is divisible into head and trunk. This is head. So this is head and trunk. This one is trunk. Okay. Head bears a pair of antennae. Pair of antennae are there. These are antennae. Then a pair of mandibles. Mandibles are jaw-like structures which are used for masticating of food. And a pair of maxillae. So these are present at the head region. Okay. Then trunk bears the walking legs. Scutigera. Each trunk segment with a pair of legs. Each trunk has a segment with a pair of appendage, jointed appendages. So each trunk, now head bears a pair of antennae, a pair of mandibles, and a pair of maxillae. Each trunk segment with a pair of legs. First pair of legs modified to form poison claws. Poison claws. So here first pair of the trunk is modified into poison claws. Okay. So next general character is carnivorous, active and predaceous. They are carnivorous. Means they feed on other animals, small animals. They are not herbivorous, they are carnivorous. Okay. So example, Scutigera. So this is Scutigera. Okay. So next one. Next one is Scolopenda. It also comes under class Chilopoda. So here you can see the antennae are there. Antennae. Next you can see the poison claws. This body trunk has appendages. Okay. Next, Scolopendra. That was the diagram of the Scolopendra, and this is actual picture of Scolopendra. Next class 3, Symphyla. It includes garden centipedes. So terrestrial but found in damp include terrestrial but found in damp places with humus. Wet places. Body is divisible into head and trunk. So head bears one pair of antennae, one pair of mandibles, and two pairs of maxillae. Trunk 12 segmented, bearing one pair of legs in each segment. Spiracles are present in head only, eyes absent. Spiracles are there. Spiracles meant for balancing the body. Spiracles. And eyes are absent. Then genital apertures are situated mid-ventrally between fourth pair of legs. Example, Scutierilla. Okay. Scutierilla and Scutierilla, one example. Okay. So next class is the Parapoda, Oropoda. So these are minute, soft bodied arthropods found in dark, damp places, usually under stones, logs, fallen leaves, and in soil. So they are minute body, soft bodied, very soft bodied, found in dark, damp places, usually under stones or under fallen leaves or in soil. So body is divisible into head and trunk. So Scutierilla, Poropus example. So body is divisible into head and trunk. This is head, this is head, and this one is trunk. Head bears a pair of antennae are there, a pair of mandibles and two pairs of maxillae forming lower lip. Trunk bears 11 segments. Here 11 segments are present, and the last one is pygidium, anal pygidium. Last segment is called anal pygidium. Okay. Anal pygidium. Okay. Then 9 pairs of legs in trunk segments. Eyes absent. Eyes are absent here. Then gonopores lie mid-ventrally on third segment. So this is about the class 4 Poropoda. Example, Poropus. Next, the class Diplopoda, fifth class Diplopoda. So it includes millipedes or thousand-leggers. Body is cylindrical. Look here, Julius millipede it is, how it looks. Millipedes or thousand-leggers, body cylindrical, subcylindrical, elongated, and capable of being rolled up. They are capable of being rolled up. They are rolled up. When they are disturbed, they get rolled up. Okay, the body becomes brittle, hard. Body is divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. Body is divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. So this one is head. Behind the head, thorax is present, and this is abdomen. Abdomen. Okay. Then head consists of 5 segments, thorax of 4 segments, and abdomen of 20 to 100 segments. So head is consisting of 5 segments, thorax is made up of 4 segments, and abdomen may contain 20 to 100 segments. Very long it is. Okay. Then head possesses one pair of antennae. One pair of antennae are there. You can see them. One pair of antennae and one pair of mandibles and one pair of maxillae. Thoracic segments with one pair of legs in each, while abdominal segments bear 2 pairs of legs. 2 pairs of legs in each segment. So poison claws are not found here. Poison claws are absent. Then herbivorous in food habit. They are herbivorous. They are not carnivorous. Herbivorous. They feed on plant product, plant food. Then gonopores, mid-ventrally situated on 3rd abdominal segment. 3rd segment, abdominal segment. So example, millipede. Okay. This one is actual picture. Earlier one. This one is the diagrammatic presentation of the millipede. So this is actual Zulus. Next class Insecta. 6th class Insecta. It has been derived from Latin language insectum, meaning being cut into. So body is cut into 3 parts such as head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax, and abdomen are there. So look here. So this belongs to class Insecta. It has been, the body is divided into 3 parts. Head, this is head, thorax, abdomen. Okay. Next, look here. Insects are air-breathing, mostly terrestrial and rarely aquatic arthropods. They are air-breathing, mostly terrestrial. Most of them are terrestrial. Very few are aquatic. Body is divided into 3 distinct regions such as head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay. Next, the head consists of 6 fused segments and bears a pair of compound eyes, a pair of antennae, and mouth parts adapted for chewing, biting, piercing, sucking, siphoning, or sponging type. So mouth parts are, having different structures depending upon type of food they feed. In case of the butterfly, sucking and siphoning type of mouth parts are present. In houseflies, sponging type of mouth parts are present. In mosquitoes, biting type of mouth parts are present. Okay. In case of cockroach, biting and chewing type of mouth parts are present. So depending upon type of food they eat, the mouth parts are structured. They are having different shapes. Next, thorax comprises 3 free segments, each bearing a pair of legs and 2 pairs of wings borne on the second and third segments. So thorax is made up of 3 segments. So second segment and third segment possess pair of wings. Abdomen comprises 7 to 11 segments and devoid of appendages. Liver is absent, but salivary glands are usually present. Then heart is elongated, tubular, and is divided into 8 chambers situated in the abdomen. Respiration by branched tracheae. Excretion by malphizian tubules. Malphizian tubules are there for excretion. Respiration, trachea are present. Sexes are separate. Male and female sexes are separate. Then development is sometimes direct, more usually complicated by metamorphosis. So example, locust, mantis. So here in mantis you can see the clear division of the body: head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, so this is head, thorax, abdomen. So head has eyes, antennae are there, pair of antennae, mouth parts are there. Mouth parts are there, then prothorax, then abdomen. So these are 3 pairs of legs are there. Okay. So this is butterfly. Butterfly. And now this is silk moth. Silkworm. After making cocoon, inside the cocoon, the silkworm transforms into silk moth. The silk moth comes out of the cocoon for breeding purpose. This is horsefly. So here in a horsefly, body division is very clear. So cockroach, here also head, thorax and abdomen. And mosquito. So these are the examples come under class Insecta. So Insecta class is a bigger class in Arthropoda. So with this we have completed the classification of Phylum Arthropoda.